I am to falling it, Vishal.
Yeah.
I'm always been in love with Big Boss. I get dreams also that I'm part of the house, but
If you'll ask me my favorite out of the show, I think I would say Kundra and Shamita. Kundra, from the day he landed in Delhi, तो मुझे पता है कि वो ऐसा लड़का है जिसको ये सब सिर्फ शो के लिए करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी ऑल नो ही इज ऑलरेडी अ वेरी बिग फेस और व्हाटएवर. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि ये दोनों ना प्यार के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा गेम से ऑफ हो गए थे. दैट आई रियली बिलीव, बट आई थिंक नाउ दे आर डेफिनेटली गेटिंग बैक टू देयर गेम.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाय विशाल, हाय आरुषि, वेलकम टू टेलीचस्का. तो इसके अलावा ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी रियलिटी शोज भी चल रहे हैं जैसे कि बिग बॉस, तो आप दोनों कितना फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
बताइए.
I am to falling it, Vishal.
Yeah.
I'm always been in love with Big Boss. I get dreams also that I'm part of the house, but yes, truly
Okay.
I'm following it. And if you ask me personally, my favorite is Tejasvi because I see a very strong woman. लोग उसका मजाक भी बनाते हैं, but I see that a very strong woman, really coming in a way. She's sorted and she's bubbly. She's a good mixture of all the traits a girl should have.
Yeah, I am a huge fan of Big Boss. I think आपको पता होगा कि every time from last I think 3-4 years they've been approaching me for the show and all that, because but ये है कि I have huge respect for the people who are doing it, because you really need a lot of courage to do a show like that. Huge fan, keep watching it, but I don't think I have that kind of जिगरा right now to do the show. So और मेरे लिए देखना और भी बन जाता है, because as you know a lot of friends are there. Jay was there, Karan is still there.
Yeah.
Rajiv is a very 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 old friend who's just got out of the house.
Yeah.
Right. So because of Rajiv, I know Shamita. I have met a couple of times, and of course Tejasvi, I know. So a lot of Nishant is a very old friend. So ये सब लोग बहुत पुराने हैं. But if you all ask me my favorite out of the show, I think I would say Kundra and Shamita.
Why so, why Kundra and Shamita? Kundra तो I mean Karan तो is everyone's favorite, and Shamita कई बार कई चीजों को लेकर ट्रोल भी हो जाता है. So what would you like to say about that?
Yeah, why I like Shamita is कि मेरी expectation से ज़्यादा अच्छा she's playing in terms of opening up to the audience, because मैं ही नहीं बोलूंगा कि जहां से वो आती हैं जो है सब, हर इंसान अपना एक स्ट्रगल देखता है. एक कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरे और आरुषि के बीच में भी हुई थी एक टाइम पे कि व्हेन यू कम विद अ नेम with a certain amount of expectation, na, it's much harder for you to fulfill the expectations of people. और आपके ऊपर ज़्यादा वो ताने होते हैं, वो होते हैं, because you are always either getting compared to your father, your sister, your something. So for her it was much harder. So she's been very vulnerable in the show. I like to see that side. Of course गलत भी होती है वो, but ये कि that's I think we all are like that यार. अगर आप गलत नहीं है, that means you're not human यार. मतलब हम लोग सही भी हैं, गलत भी हैं. So I just love the way she plays. She's going all out. I think she's playing better than OTT in this show.
Okay. तो इसके अलावा आप दोनों से ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि तेजरन और उमरेश की जोड़ी कितनी पसंद आ रही है?
Oh, अच्छा, Karan. हाँ. Acha, it took me a second to even understand. हाँ.
Yeah, even I took a chance, but Teja, I think it's going good. I mean, I think it's very natural that if you in a house for that long period of time, आप कहीं ना कहीं connected feel करेंगे. और actually असली तो परीक्षा और वो तो घर से बाहर निकलने के बाद शुरू होता है. Then you get to know which relationship is real. बट जो भी है वो मुझे बहुत नेचुरल लग रहा है. नथिंग इज लाइक कुक्ड अप और उन्होंने सोच समझ के किया. एंड आई रियली होप दे विल कम अप इन अ गुड लॉन्ग वे.
So for me,
Okay,
I would say
Vishal, what's your take?
हाँ, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से I think
Yeah.
absolutely I don't know whether it's real or not. As Arshi said, I also think कि वो
Yeah.
real है. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि I know Kundra for the longest time. I know Kundra from the day he landed in Delhi. तो मुझे पता है कि वो ऐसा लड़का है जिसको ये सब सिर्फ शो के लिए करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी ऑल नो ही इज ऑलरेडी अ वेरी बिग फेस और व्हाटएवर. जब से ये रिलेशनशिप वाला सीन शुरू हुआ है, I personally felt for the longest time they were off their games for sure. मतलब the way Kundra was in the initial 2 weeks, he wasn't. After वो तेजस्वी वाला शुरू हुआ तो कहीं ना he lost his game. ये शो एज वन ऑफ द वीकेंड का आवाज सलमान सर सेड कि ये शो आपको मतलब आप छुट्टी नहीं मना रहे हो. मतलब यू आर नॉट हियर टू फॉल इन लव. ऑफ कोर्स प्यार कभी भी हो जाता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू fulfill a certain kind of a expectation of audience जिसके लिए आपको पैसा मिल रहा है. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि ये दोनों ना प्यार के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा गेम से ऑफ हो गए थे. That I really believe, but I think now they are definitely getting back to their game. और Umar and Rashmi, I really don't know. I have not really have anything to say about it.
Okay. इसके अलावा ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आप दोनों के टॉप 5 कौन है, लाइक टॉप 5 फाइनलिस्ट कौन है अकॉर्डिंग टू यू गाइस?
My God, she's really into Big Boss. I think Riddhi
Yeah,
is too much
absolutely.
into Big Boss. I really don't have top 5s. I just feel that Tejasvi and Kundra is doing good. I feel, or Shamita as well. I think these are the top 3. I don't know who gonna win, but certainly one of the 3.
I agree with her actually. If you'll ask me my top 3, it'll be Kundra, Tejasvi, and Shamita, or probably I feel like Prateek will be somewhere around. But yeah, basically.
ओके. एंड लास्टली जाते जाते फैंस एंड व्यूअर्स को क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ऑल्सो आप दोनों के अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या है?
I think we should start with you.
Wow, thanks Vishal. But फैंस को तो यही बोलना चाहेंगे कि अभी तक आप लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया है और बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. I debut with Wafana Rasai song, which already crossed 250 million.
Amazing.
It was truly amazing, and Zubin
boys,
video. Yeah, and Himansh Kohli, Rohit Suchalti.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. So that love we have already received, and मैं चाहूंगी कि फैंस इस बार भी हमको उतना ही प्यार और उससे ज्यादा प्यार दे, बिकॉज हमने इसमें बहुत मेहनत करी है. ये सॉन्ग से हमारी बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीदें हैं, क्योंकि समथिंग वी बोथ have, I think for me especially Vishal, this is what I have tried for the first time, that breakdown and you know getting into that deep emotional journey. This is my first time. तो आप सभी लोग बहुत उसको प्यार दीजिएगा. रही बात अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स की, my one film which has already been announced with T series, as name is Tarni. हमारा एक बहुत ambitious project है जो कि 6 women naval officers के ऊपर है. I will be playing part of it. I'm the co-producer also, and we are coming up with a Hotstar web series जो मैं co-produce भी कर रही हूँ, act भी कर रही हूँ, and few more projects we cannot announce right now, but with some big faces we are coming up in a few films and few web series. So yeah, you need to be connected on Instagram to get all the updates. Over to you, Vishal.
I am telling you guys, watch out for this girl. She's gonna kill it very, very soon, and she's already killing it. Imagine one video has much out so much of dhamaka, and she's been telling me he's a very good actor, very good actor. You see that video and you will see कि कोई debut इंसान इतना अच्छा act नहीं करता है. तो she's just been very humble, and she's just been very keen. मैंने तारीफ कर दी है, मेरी तारीफ करो. तो मतलब अब तो दुनिया ने कर ही दी है इनकी तारीफ, हो ही गई है, because that video is genuinely fantastic. मतलब you can never look at that video and see and say that it's her first video. And at the same time, as she said कि ये जो गाना हम लोगों ने किया, I think this was my 7th or 8th song or whatever. But the thing is कि जो हम लोगों ने इसमें try किया है in terms of, एक तो the journey is so twisted कि आप you are showing the pain and love at the same time, उसको भी in a very stylized way. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि रो रहे हैं तो बिखर गए हैं तो मतलब कहीं गांव में रो रहे हैं, but this is very stylish. और उसी की वजह से I think we are very pumped also about the song. So to all the fans, I would say कि please आप गाना देखिए, and genuinely if you love it, then like it, and then spread the word about it, because we are 100% sure that you guys are going to love the song. And about my upcoming projects, I am shooting actually 2 web films, and fortunately I'm shooting in Delhi, so I'm really happy. So far that, and then as Arushi said, ki just stay connected on social media, which is the thing right now, so we'll keep updating whatever is coming next. Yes.
ओके सो गाइज इट वाज फन टॉकिंग टू यू, एंड अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में आप दोनों ने इतना कुछ बता दिया है तो और ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ गई है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दैट एज वेल, एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you,
Thank
Riddhi.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
It's lovely
much.
talking to
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.